Knapsack's dynamic documentation provides a powerful central source of truth for all teams and stakeholders that work with or on your design system. By connecting directly to source design and code assets, we're able to provide documentation that serves as a window into the real living design system your team is working with. Here you'll see dynamic blocks that loop over properties of, in this case, a React button, showing you all the different variations that could appear to end users based on how the component is built today. We use Figma's REST API to pull in dynamic embeds of the Figma component variations directly from your Figma source file, as long as the properties, so that everyone can understand not just how the component looks, but how it should function and what sort of data can be passed into it. Our code playgrounds are powered by your production code assets, allowing every user to get hands-on with the real live production element that would appear to your end users in your application. This allows us to bring powerful comparisons and allow teams to come together to get clarity around what each other are looking at and know that they're seeing exactly what's in their source assets. This also enables us to create a source of truth that works for design and/or engineering. Here you'll see a component that exists only with guidelines and Figma assets. On the other end, we have components that exist in multiple code frameworks but don't contain Figma assets or guidelines. In order to keep all teams aligned and work as efficiently as possible to build the best products, we need to have a circle around everything in our design system and know that what we're looking at is up to date. When managing the system, Knapsack provides a variety of workflow options and permissions, including granular control over what capabilities each team member has within the platform, as well as a Git-backed contribution workflow that allows us to work effortlessly between the cloud environment and the underlying Git repo, and use the variety of gates and permissions and controls baked into Git to ensure an enterprise-compliant workflow.